up there?
Yes, Mr.
Need any more?
Manager. You get that boy.
Mr. and Mrs. Wachowski,
Yes?
a token of appreciation from your government for keeping quiet about recent incidents which never occurred.
Wow. Wonder what it is.
Money to fix the house?
Letter from the president?
You'll see.
Okay.
Olive Garden.
Yeah. The way you said you'll see made me think it was something better than the things we said.
Have you tried their never-ending pasta bowl? It never ends.
That sounds fancy.
Well, thank you. We appreciate the gesture.
Oh, hey, I guess we can close the file on that Robotnik guy, huh? Just disappeared.
I'm sorry, but no such person exists, or ever has existed.
I wish that were true.
You haven't by any chance been in contact with a certain alien creature since the incident, have you? Uncle Sam would love to have a chat with him. Very casual. Brunch, perhaps.
Oh, you mean the little blue guy? No, no, nothing. Doubt we'll ever hear from him again.
Very well.
Okay. Thank you.
Great.
Yep. To be honest, I'm pretty pumped about the pasta bowl.
So, do you guys want to watch a movie or what?
Sorry, buddy. It's a school night. It's time for you to go back to your cave.
What? It's 3 in the afternoon.
You know how you get when you're tired. Come on.
Me? I'm not like anything. Ugh, you guys are so uncool.
Yeah, we know. Hey, buddy, where are you going?
You said I have to go back to my cave.
We did.
Oh my, are you kidding me? I can't believe it. How did you? It's all here. Look at this! Are you kidding? And the beanbag? No way! Oh, how did you even get this? And you got it all the way over. Oh, I love it! I love it! I love it! I love it!
Well, welcome home.
Thank you so much.
Son of a bitch. You wished for my life back.
No. I wished for my life back.
Oh, no, you don't. No second best animal friends allowed in my room. Wait, what are you doing? Stay away from me. Stop it! I'm warning you, I've got nunchucks. Hey, stop! Okay, you can stay.
My grasp on sanity remains absolute.
Isn't that right, Agent Stone?
Why don't you get a head start?
Do some reconnaissance! Reconnaissance! Come on, that's hilarious! What's the matter with you?
Here's the sitch. Uninhabited planet. No resources, no supplies, no apparent way home. A lesser man would die here. I'll be home by Christmas. Zzz, zzz, zzz.